So let's start. So we got three things to do today: visual text, comprehension, cloze, and situational writing. Ayush, I still cannot see you. I don't know what's happening, Ayush.
I don't know, it's like on, but the video's on. It's not working.
Try to reset your your thing.
That one.
Try now. Hi, Haley. What happened, Haley? You okay? Alrighty. Okay, never mind, Ayush. Today we have to not to see her. Okay, so this visual text is the picture of a national orchid garden. All right. Give me a thumbs up if you have finished all the 8 questions on the MCQ 8 questions for visual text. All right. Ayman is a thumbs up. Javen, you tried, but you couldn't get through, right?
Yeah, my father asked me to
Lag.
try and refresh the thing or like exit then and enter again, but I tried then it says cannot again.
Okay, Ayman, we'll do it now. Haley, did you
It
manage?
says it says he couldn't record the update.
Oh, okay. Haley, do you manage to do the visual text? We're going to go through. Ayush, did you manage to do it? We're going to go through the answers. All right. So Singapore's national flower is Vanda Miss Joaquin. Do you all know that? Orchid is the national flower. You know that, right? It was designated Singapore's national flower in 1981. Okay. So you've got the tiger orchid, you've got the golden shower orchid, you've got the bamboo orchid, and you've got the vanilla orchid. And the orchid that is Singapore's national flower is the Vanda Miss Joaquin. All right, so National Orchid Garden, all right, which is NOG, was opened by Prime Minister Lee Kuan Yew in 1995. All right, and there was more than 60,000 dazzling orchid plant, and they had 4 distinct sets of color. All right, and one of the well-known features is the VIP Orchid Garden. All right, which is okay, it's named after the visiting heads of state and the international. All right, so we go Vanda Miss Joaquin is the name of a person as well. All right, let's just go through the questions now. Hang on, guys. All right, 8 questions. So this is the order that we are going to okay, question number 1 will be Ayman. Question number 2 will be Haley. Question number 3 will be Javen. And then question number 4 will be Ayush. And then back again to Ayman. Question 5. Question 6, Haley. Question 7, Javen. And Ayush is question 8. Okay. All right, so let's start with that. Give me a second, guys. 1 second. Okay. Sorry, this thing, there's some issues with this thing. Let me just. All right, question number 1. Who's that? Ayman, could you read the question and could you tell me what's the answer?
What is the main purpose of this poster?
Okay.
Number 1, it is to educate people about national parks. Number 2, it is to provide readers with beautiful photos of flowers. Number 3, it is to promote the National Orchid Garden and the orchids found within. Number 4, it is to give readers a history lesson about flowers. Yay!
Javen, you're the horse again.
Bye, I go toilet.
So soft.
Huh?
Does that mean class is cancelled?
So soft.
Class is cancelled.
Let's
Alright,
see.
bye-bye.
Bye. Where's Ayush?
I'm here. It's just that my video can't on.
Why?
Don't ask me, ask the computer lah.
Oh. Ayush computer, why you cannot on?
I don't know. Go buy new one.
I also use computer.
I go buy new one.
Buy lah.
Isn't that good?
Going tomorrow.
I'm so sorry. What happened?
Suddenly, you left.
You left. You just boom.
I didn't leave. You know what happened? My
What?
computer just went blank. Computer just went black. What's happening today? It's not April Fool. I
It's
swear.
a computer crash, I think. It happens naturally whenever it's too overloaded.
April Fool's us.
Oh, I'm April Fool, y'all.
Okay.
I wanted to April Fool y'all, but this was unintentional. All right, never mind. Ayush cannot show the screen. I don't know whether that's an April Fool for him. Okay, sorry.
No.
So,
Not.
yes, Ayush, are you there?
My camera broke.
Your cam is what?
My camera broke.
I can't hear you. What?
My camera broke.
Your camera broke. Is it me who cannot understand Ayush's English? I don't know what's happening. Sorry, sweetheart. I don't know what's happening to my laptop today. Let's try this again. Can you guys see me?
What?
Can you guys see me?
Yes. Yes.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Hey, you know April Fool joke, huh? Tell me the truth. Can you see me?
Yeah,
Okay, good. Can you see my screen?
yeah.
Can you see the question number 1?
Maybe.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. All right, so Aiman, what was the answer for question 1?
C.
Thank you. The answer is say. What? Let me. Why is it I cannot write? Are you kidding me? Okay, so the answer is C. It is to promote the orchid garden. Okay, so C is the answer. All right, it is not about educating. It's not. Number 2, who's doing question number 2? Haley,
Yeah.
what is question number 2? Can you read the question and the answer?
When was the National Orchid Garden open? I put A.
Yes, answer is October 1995, and this is in the visual text. I don't even want to go through this question. It's that easy. Number 3, Aiman. Yes, you raised
No,
that.
I'm not answering the question, but for question number 5, I can't answer it.
Question number what?
5.
I'll come back to 5 later, okay? Let's do 3 first. 3, who's doing 3? Javen. Yes, Javen. Who opened the National Orchid Garden?
B.
Who opened the National Orchid Garden?
B.
Sorry?
A.
I cannot hear you, darling.
He said A.
Yes, A, right? Lee Kuan Yew, all right? It was LKY who opened the Orchid Garden. All right, number 4, Ayush. Which of the statement is true about which of the statement is false?
May I go to the toilet?
Yes, Javen. Ayush? Ayush for, sorry?
C.
C, okay, it cannot be found in the garden. Of course, the vanilla orchid can be found. All right, so the answer is C. And the next one is back to Aiman. And Aiman, you had a question about question 5, right? Based on
No.
the,
Answer is 2. Ghost orchid.
yeah, which cannot be found.
Ghost
All right,
orchid.
tiger is found, bamboo is found. Dancing lady, let's see if there's a dancing lady.
Yeah,
Where's the dancing lady?
right
Yeah.
there.
Yeah.
Golden shower orchid, dancing lady orchid.
Yeah, so what is your question, Aiman?
I was about to say I could not answer question number 5
Why?
because there is a printing error.
What is the printing error?
Yes.
What does it show? Can you read it out?
No, it can be. It never write down the question and the
Oh, you can't see the question, is it?
yeah.
Oh, no worries. So
Okay.
based on this question,
Same thing after question number 10, but for question number 8, 9 and question 8 and 9 I have problems with it, so I can't answer those.
oh, okay, no worries. So let's look at question 5. And Aiman, just based on the screen that you see, what is the answer for question number 5?
Number 2. B.
Yes, goes orchid. Okay, all right. So B goes orchid. All right, question number 6. Back to Haley.
I put B.
Yes, Vanda Joachim was the Singapore's national flower. So answer is B. Thank you, Haley. Javen, question number 7. How did the dancing lady orchid get her name?
Wait, can you hear me?
Yeah, now I can hear you. What?
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
How did the
Be-
dance? Because of what?
Because the shape of its flower resembles dancing ladies.
Thank you. So answer is B, and you can see from the picture, right? It looks like dancing ladies. All right, next one. Question number 8. Ayush 8. Based on the poster, what can someone do to find out more? Ayush? Ayush, it's your turn.
C.
Why do you take so long to respond?
Looking first in the online thing.
Okay. So
Online.
no, answer next time must be ready because you know what questions you are doing. All right, it's N parts, okay? All right, can you tell me how many marks did you all get? Let's start with Javen. How many marks did you get, Javen?
I didn't do it.
Yeah, based on the questions that you did now.
Oh, I got out of how many? 8, right?
Haley, how much did you get?
I got 6.
Okay, Haley, how much did you get?
8.
2 marks, well done. Aiman?
7 out of 8.
Ayush?
8.
2 marks as well. Well done. All right, so now that we have done visual text, so visual text is one element, right, that I need you guys to get nearly 4 marks because the answers are quite obvious, and as long as you read closely the visual text, you'll be able to understand. All right, let's go to comprehension close. All right, give me a thumbs up if you have finished the comprehension close. All right, Haley has finished, Aiman has finished. Ayush and Javen? Okay, if the time is now 8:72, I'll give you how many minutes do you need? 7 minutes? Okay, I'll give you 8 minutes. Okay, 8 o'clock, we will come back again. 8 o'clock. All right. Haley and Aiman take a break. Ayush, are you there?
I'm done.
Oh, you did already. So Javen, can you do this as quickly as possible, Javen? All right, you have 5 minutes. Okay, so 5 minutes, guys. We'll be back in 5 minutes. Go and take a toilet break and a water break. All right, Haley, are you there?
Wait, what does readily mean?
Readily.
Yeah.
Javen, it's not just this, it's the second page also. Have you done this?
Huh? Oh,
Oh, okay, never mind. You try to do it.
I done.
We try to do it as we go through. Okay, readily means the suggestion, and readily that means willingly and immediately. Willingly, I think I would say that. Okay, Haley is back as well. All right, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, so we know the order. And so then it's your turn.
I won't be able to complete any of the questions.
Why?
Printing error again.
Oh, okay, but now as I'm going through, right? See if you're able to answer, all right?